Diniriwang natin ang ika-126 anibersaryo ng Araw ng Kasarinlan o Araw ng Kalayaan na may temang kalayaan, kinabukasan, kasaysayan. At bilang pakikisa sa paggugunita ng makabuluhang araw na ito, taas loob at may pagmamalaki natin gamitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Philippine Independence Day. Today, we gather to commemorate the 126th anniversary of the proclamation of Philippine independence, a significant milestone in our nation's history. This day holds a moment of reflection, remembrance, and renewed dedication to the principles that have guided our journey towards freedom and progress. As we pay tribute to the courageous souls who fought for our independence, we honor their unwavering spirit and sacrifice that paved the way for the birth of our nation.